Today I'm going to show you how to make a window cover for your car using wire and a mesh. If you're planning to do car camping, this will help you to keep the insects outside of the car and at the same time allow the air to flow on those hot summer days. We ended up using this mosquito mesh that we purchased in Dollar Tree several months ago, as well as this wire that we purchased in Rona. The first step is tracing the shape of the window with a wire. To connect the ends, we overlap the wire and tie it with another thin wire. It ended up looking like this. The next step was cutting a piece of the mesh and placing the wire on top of it, and then sewing the mesh. And this is how it looks. Then the only thing that you need to do is insert the wire where the window will be located, and that's it. I hope this is useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!